Hello guys. As such, it's very crucial time going all around of us. People are not getting bed in order to get admitted into the hospitals. They are not getting a proper amount of oxygen for their life survival. But still, we are dealing with the situation due to the COVID-19. We are not going out for many of the work we have to do. Still, we are not going out in order to get safe ourselves. So I need to share something with you guys. 10 days before, I was having a symptoms, a dry cough, a slightly cold I was having, a peak in level of fever, a body ache. So I thought it's a 2-3 days. I thought it's a normal while. I can have a medicine and I was in a relaxing position. I will be okay. After 3 days, still I was not getting okay. So I decided to my test to be done, RT-PCR test for a COVID-19. Which I got positive. Since I got up the news that I am a COVID positive, now I isolate myself. One of my friends has helped us out. They will provide my private property to us in order to live. So I have isolated since last 10 days. I am isolated myself. What all things I am facing here is I need to discuss that with you guys. That maybe help out to you guys. See, many of the things I am facing right now is breathing problem. I am having a dry cough, cold, slightly cold, headache. Some of the time I had to have a rashes on my hand as well. Sometimes I feel like a headache. Sometimes I feel like a body ache, and lots of breathing problem. So how I am dealing with that is I need to discuss with you guys. Fine. So first point is very important point. You have to make sure. Point number 1, you have to isolate yourself properly from your family. Since you got up the news, you have to isolate yourself. And it's very important for you guys to, second step is you have to monitor your oxygen levels. One oximeter comes in which you have to check your oxygen level after 1 hour, each hour. How you are going to check? You just have to put your finger into it and note the value. If the values come above the 94, that's fine, you are okay. If you feel like still the values are coming below the 94, immediately be in a prone position for 30 minutes. Go on YouTube, search for it, how to be in a prone position. And if you still feel like your values are not coming up, you can immediately consult your doctor. And I'll tell you, less than 90 value if come in the oximeter. That's quite horrible. That's a serious condition of the patient. A serious condition, not a very serious condition. It's a serious condition. So you should monitor your oxygen level and also check your body temperature every hour. This is a second step. And third step is basically what you have to do is go for your medications. Every people is suggesting have this medication, that medication. Never ever believe in everyone blindly. It's a matter of your health. Only have a medications which is prescribed by the doctor to you. Fine. I will not suggest any medications to you right now because I want you to go to your doctor and have that medicine. But only and only doctor can suggest you the better for your health. And the fourth important point is you can have a lots of plenty immunity boosters for you. Immunity boosters is something like that. You can have fruits in your diet which contains lots of vitamins and minerals which can help out you in order to boost your immunity. And you can also have that we call as a Giloy juice 2 or 3 times a day. It's 2 times a day. You can take a cup of one tap and into one glass of water. You can have it. Also, you can have a Chyawanprash 2 times a day. This is basically an immunity booster. You can have a vitamin C tablets 2 times a day. These are the immunity booster which can boost up your immunity. Because in order to find any kind of microorganism infections, you need to be your immunity to be very much strong. And the 7th point we can talk about is it's basically your diet. what you have to take in your diet. As I have already told you, you have to take lots of fruits, and that is basically a citrus fruit, most probably vegetables. Consume protein diet, exclude fatty diets. Do not consume any kind of fatty diets that may harm your health, and especially junk foods. I request you to do not consume any kind of junk foods right now. Avoid the cold particles to be consumed because it will harm your throat and you will be prone to have infection for many more days. Okay, so avoid that. Though this is basically a dietary factor, and the tips I can give you guys, you can have some Ayurvedic kadha that we call as an Indian Ayurvedic Sanskriti. You can have that. You can make homemade kadhas with some khade masales. You can have some turmeric. They add some tulsi. You can add some cinnamon, long, elaichi, this kali mirch. These will help you out and make the kadhas. If you feel like you can have it, so you can have that. And if you want some ready-made kadhas that are also available on the stores, you can have this. Try to consume plenty of water, more than 2.5 liter a day. That's help you out in much more. That's prevent your body to get dehydrated because it's too much hot. And what's most important thing I want to suggest you guys is you can take steam. Steam is something 3 to 5 times you can take a day because it's help your lungs to clear upon. Your lungs you are not been able to breathe properly, so that's help out you in order to breathe properly. See, we can fight with the COVID-19 only and only if we are taking up precautions in a very well manner. Okay? This is the precautions I am taking right now. And 7th one is keep the place hygienic. Keep yourself hygienic. All the things you are wearing upon, wash it properly. Let it dry in sunlight. Having a meal in a burden and all, you let it dry in a sunlight. All the things in which you are sleeping upon, let it dry in a sunlight. And also maintain the personal hygiene of yourself. Take a bath if you feel like you are comfortable with. Be there in a sunlight at least 1 hour a day. It's most probably in a morning sunlight. It's very much effective. The maximum recovery of the patient takes place if he take a morning sunlight. It's very pure. It doesn't contain any kind of microorganisms. Help us out to kill all the microorganisms which lies inside the bodies, and it makes our mind very fresh. A kind of meditation you can also done at that point of the time. And the most important point in this as well, you can clean your place where you are living upon, because it's very important to clean that place. Cleaning that place is important because it's in order to maintain a hygiene, and as well as your physical activity will be happen. Once you feel like okay, that I'm okay right now, do not have any kind of symptoms, you can clean that place. And make sure if your dustbin, whatever you are throwing, should be in a one part apart from your area. That should be outside your area. Fine. These are the basically things which I am following right now. Have plenty of liquid is very important apart from water as well. You can have some juices, some citrus juices that help you to give you vitamin C. So these are the things which I'm following right now. And one most important thing is I need to share with you guys is people will say that तुम्हें कैसे हो गया, मुझे कैसे हो गया. Believe me guys, and I don't went outside my house. So people who are saying you are stay home, you are safe. Yes, we are only and only we are safe at home is the things which is coming our home, your home remedies, your whatever the domestic chores, dust, whatever the domestic materials you are at your home, the home remedies, some rations and all, whatever the things are coming at your home, you need to wash that. Wash your hands properly, wash them properly, and the most important thing, see guys, the things which is coming outside in your home, you need to sanitize them, wash them properly. And if any of the person having any kind of symptoms in your house, please stay away from that particular person. Do not shower a love, maintain a proper distance. The mistake I have done, I don't want you to do that. Whether you having an infection, whether they having an infection, please stay away. कोई तो चाहिए सेवा करने के लिए, आप किसी की सेवा करो, कोई आपकी सेवा करे, सभी को इन्फेक्शन हो जाएगा, तो whosoever the person is going to help you out in the situation. So please, at least for sake of time, maintain a distance. Don't please take care of it. भाईचारा हम बाद में भी दिखा सकते हैं. Why we are having an increase in rate of infection right now is we are maintaining a social distance outside our home. We are not maintaining a proper distance in our home as well. अगर हमारे घर का इन्फेक्शन किसी को हो रहा है slightly, we are sitting with that particular person in a very भाईचारा mode, like ठीक है यार, हमारे घर में ही तो है, इसको थोड़ी ना हो सकता है. We are taking so much these things which very casually. We are not supposed to take these things casually at home as well. Please take care of that and see to person. Fine. भाईचारा हम बाद में भी दिखा सकते हैं. प्यार, shower your love later on. Right now, it's not a time to shower love for yourself as well as for family as well. Make sure it. I request you to please stay away from the old people if you're having any kind of symptoms you feel like. And also from the person who having another disease in their body, like whether they're having a diabetes, hypertension, whether they're having a kidney problems, any liver associated problems. So I request you to please maintain a distance from them as well. If you're having an infection, you will immediately prone to have the infection to them as well. So please at least take care of that. It's very important point. In our house, एक बंदे को होता है, फैमिली में सबको हो जाता है, क्योंकि भाईचारा फैमिली में खत्म ही नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि वी आर इंडियन राइट नाउ. बट आई रिक्वेस्ट प्लीज फॉर सेक ऑफ टाइम, एज आई एम सफरिंग राइट नाउ, अपने घर में भी थोड़ा डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करिए अभी फिलहाल. एज आई वॉज गॉट अ सिम्टम्स, आई यूज टू पुट अ मास्क एंड ग्लव्स, तो मैंने नहीं इन्फेक्ट किया है किसी को. So ऐसे ही you have to, as such my husband is supporting right now so much supporting right now to me. So it's better कि आप भी take care of करें, and especially to the older people. आप उनसे जितना दूर हो सके उतना दूर रहिए, क्योंकि उनकी immunity इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. That's why we are seeing the loads of death are going around is old people only, because their immunity is not that much strong. So आपको initiative लेना होगा. You have to take an initiative to keep yourself a step behind from your parents, from your grandparents. Maintain a distance. Had a talk, that's fine. We are Indian. We can had a talk, but please maintain a distance. Wear a proper gloves, proper mask. जो मैंने stupidity करी है, I don't want anyone else to do that. Fine. And one more important thing also. As such, I was watching some movies, and whenever we are watching movies, we got up some good news. Not good news, and good points in order to learn. So one movie was there that is called as Sultan, and which I hear the dialogue is, जब खुद से हार जाते हैं, नहीं sorry, it's not like that. हमारी हार जब तक नहीं हो सकती कि जब तक हम खुद से ना हारे. So COVID is not a dangerous kind of thing. It's only if you feel like. When it's supposed to happen to a person, people are creating lots of phobia behind and negativity behind you. So everywhere people are creating negativity. But only and only thing I suggest you guys, it is dangerous if you feel like. Only and only thing is you have to take lots of precautions. अगर आपको नॉर्मल वायरल होता है, यू टेक लिटिल बिट ऑफ प्रिकॉशन, बट इन दिस केस यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ लॉट्स ऑफ प्रिकॉशंस. यू हैव टू टेक केयर मेनी ऑफ द थिंग्स ऑफ योर्स इन ऑर्डर टू प्रिवेंट ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन. एंड नोट, दिस इज नोट फॉर यू गाइज. note is very important point. Note is something if you feel like boring and to connect with your friends online, do chatting, do WhatsApp call, do some videos call, do some conferences, write something, elaborate your talent, which is like I was having a talent in writing and all. I am right now attending a conference as well, and see, problems comes, but while going it gets tough gets going. And you, as you can see, my skin color is also becoming darkening, and I'm having a lots of pimples because I'm having a caras, and my hairs are becoming very dry, and ये 1/4 proportion मेरे hair का हो गया, it's losing too much. Facing right now lots of things, but still. And one most important thing is you have to stay away yourself from the negative people, and stop watching negative videos. Until and unless you don't stop watching negative videos, you will never ever get recover. Believe me, you never ever get recover. Always watch the movies, always watch the things which makes you happy, always be with the person from which you can build upon. Fine. From like जिसके साथ आप रहते हो उसी के साथ आप कुछ सीख सको, वो उस लोगों के साथ रहो जिसके साथ आप डाउन टू बर्थ आ जाओ. जिस वीडियोस को देख के आप डिप्रेशन में चले जाओ, डोंट वॉच दैट वीडियोस. Science says, medical line says, until and unless you are happy, you never ever get recover from that situation and from that injury or infection or something like that. Fine. So I suggest you be happy, stay happy. Don't be create a phobia of it. You will get recovered. At least it take 10 to 15 days. Until and unless you are taking all the precautions very well. I hope this help you out. Finally, I have decided I was feeling okay today, so I made this video for you guys. Still, I am having a symptom right now, and I'm sitting all alone in the balcony and taking sunlight right now. But it's a matter of 10 to 15 days, guys. Just be. Bye-bye. That's all for it. Still, and if you want some medical knowledge regarding the virus and all, I am a medical professor as well. You can talk to me in the comments. I will suggest you regarding it. Fine. That's all for today. Take care. Stay blessed. Keep praying. It's a very crucial time. People are facing lots of things in their life. Don't say negative to anyone. Always try to be connected with each and every person, but on phone call right now, not anything else. Thanks. That's all. Say guys, for corona test, first is a rapid test which gives you a quick results. Second, we have a RT-PCR test which gives you a result after 2 days. And third, we have antibody test which detects that if person having any infection of COVID-19 in their body, they will generate an antibody and which is going to detect by the test. And the fourth, we have, apart from these three all tests, then another test which is not related to it, but still nowadays we are seeing that if the person having a COVID-19, there is an increase in level of these tests as well. So the fourth one is CRP test, and the fifth one is ferritin test. These two tests, nowadays we are seeing if the person is suffering from COVID-19, there is a slightly increase in these levels as well. And the fifth one we have is CT scan. In CT scan we see how much amount of COVID-19 has been spread into your lungs and infected then that particular organ. So I suggest you guys do not go for a CT scan in a regular interval. It's a carcinogenic. The AIIMS director has also said in their study as well that if you frequently go for a CT scan of your lungs or any of the organ, it will in the future it will create a cancer to you. It will create a condition like a cancer to you. Don't go. Still, they were talking about young people as well only. And now I will like to discuss you guys. The one more thing is, see, if you found like you will be in emergency condition, your condition is not improving, priorly make a list of hospitals which are providing a bed and which are providing the cylinders, oxygen cylinders to you. Make a proper list, do a call before as well, and still if you have any kind of emergency happen in the future, you can be sure that you have already called those number and you can go over there, you can have a treatment of yours. So this is basically a priorly you can do that. Instead you will feel like what I supposed to do now. Fine. And now the most important things also I need to discuss, like rashes. If you're having a rashes, that I do have a rashes on my body, so you can do for that is you can take a frequent bath and sit in a like sunlight. It's better to sit in a sunlight. And for your throat you can have a hot water a day, daily a hot water. You can do some garares with having a salt and hot water and split it on. You can take a steam with a that we call as a kapoor की आप steam ले सकते हो. And for drinking purpose, as you can drink coconut water as well. It's very immunity booster. It's contain electrolytes which helps you out and boost your immunity as well. There's so many things. I was left with these points, so I thought ki better to include this point in this video as well. So you can go for some homemade remedies which is always best for you. Your mamas, your daddy, mamas and aunties also always help out to you in this. Fine. Stay safe, stay happy, keep smiling, never ever give up. As Tata Birla also said one of the thought, I like that thought of him. He said keep something like that. On one of the thought Tata Birla has been discussed कि the iron को कोई भी destroy नहीं कर सकता. The iron is only going to be destroyed by its own rust. So that's why we cannot destroy by any of the one in this world. Whether it's a virus, whether it's a person, and whether any person in the world. The only and only we can destroy by it's our own mindset. So keep your attitude positive. Bye bye. Take care. I hope this video is helpful for you. I don't was having any option left in order to create awareness for you guys. Thank you.